Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is your marriage certificate, your Danish marriage certificate is recognized in Germany? Dahil our previous vlog, meron kami doon binisitang kaibigan na German-Filipina dito sa Germany. Pero ang pag-uusapan natin, dahil kinasal kami sa Denmark last August 2021, ang pag-uusapan natin is our Danish marriage certificate from Denmark is accepted or recognized here. Have a treaty to each other where the documents from Denmark is accepted and recognized here in Germany. The Danish marriage certificate is 100% recognized in Germany. Many are still confused. After the wedding, what should they do? We messaged before the Standesam after our wedding or marriage in Denmark last 2021, and we asked the Standesam, we emailed them on how to recognize our marriage certificate from Denmark here in Germany. So the Standesam replied to us and give us two options. So the first option that they gave us is, the only thing you need to do is to visit the Borgeramt, book an appointment, and this marriage certificate can use for your European partner, especially if they are living here in Germany, to change their civil status or marital status, because the marriage certificate in Denmark is already translated in German. So the marriage certificate in Denmark has 5 already translated. It has 5 translation. Of course, Denmark, Danish, German, English, Spain or Spanish, and France. So, these are the 5 translated. Kaya, accepted na rin yung marriage certificate dito sa Germany kasi already translated na siya. So, once na kinasal kayo doon sa Denmark, meron na siyang 5 translation na agad. So, yan. Once you do the wedding in Denmark. So, this marriage certificate, your European partner can change marital status here in Borgeramt. And, of course, you can also, as a Filipina, while you're in visit visa, or language visa before, or any visa, like I was before, I am visit visa. I also had the chance to update and registered my tax number here in Germany. So, because of marriage certificate, na-process ko din siya sa aking tax number. So, ano ba yung paano ko ba na-i-register yun? So, application form, marriage certificate in Denmark, valid visa, under visit visa I was before, and passport, of course. So, ganun din ang gagawin ng partner nyo, guys. So, kapag nag-change sila ng status nila from single to married, ang kailangan lang nila is yung latest marriage certificate from Denmark. And, of course, their doon na papasok yung Meldivestatigum nila. Mag-change na siya from single to married. Dalhin lang nila yon, tsaka yung passport nila. Or yung valid ID na katunayan, they're living here in Germany. So, the second option na binigay nila or in-inform sa amin ng Standisam para ma-register ang kasal namin dito sa Germany is, they also given us again like a marriage visa documentation again. So, may mga sinend silang Philippine documents sa email na kailangan ulit isubmit sa kanila yung mga information na yon, like nasa checklist yun ng German Embassy in Philippines. Nasa yun, like yung mga birth certificate ng mga kapatid mo, as in back to basic, ganun. Parang marriage visa process. So, yun yung second option nila sa amin para ma-register din namin dito yung kasal namin sa Germany. So, kaya, ang ginawa namin ni Habi is yung number 1. So, si husband ko ay, nagpunta kami sa Borgeram para magpa-change status siya. So, ako naman, bumalik ng Philippines at doon ako nag-apply ng spouse visa. Kasi masyadong matagal yung process na naman yung option number 2. So, hindi namin ginawa yon. Pero baka in the future din, gawin namin yun. Pero not now. Kasi, nag-process din naman ako ng spouse visa. Bumalik ako ng Pilipinas. As you see, nag-process ako ng family reunion spouse visa na kung saan tinanggap din nila yung marriage certificate from Denmark. Na katunayan, accepted din yun. Pero dapat i-apostol nyo yun, guys. Kung gusto nyo rin i-report sa Philippines. So, kung gusto nyo nang madali ang process na ipa-change status lang ang inyong mga partner, yun yung gawin nyo yung number 1. Punta kayo ng Borgeram. At i-update ang Meldebestatigum from single to married. So, after ko rin ma-process yung marriage spouse visa ko sa Philippines, pagdating ko rin dito is, ganun din yung ginawa ko. Pumunta kami ng Borgeram, nag-update ako ng Meldebestatigum ko, nag-process ako nun, and from single to married. So, dahil spouse visa na ako, meron din akong Meldebestatigum dito, na kung saan I am really currently living here in Germany. And, I am also married na din sa aking husband, sa aking German husband, di ba? Pero, kung gusto nyo rin talagang i-recognize yung kasal nyo, as in talagang, like, gusto nyong makakuha ng madali ang copy ng marriage certificate nyo dito, yun, gawin nyo yung number 2. Mag-process din kayo ng Philippine documents, like, yung, mag-provide kayo ng mga birth certificate ng mga kapatid nyo, marriage certificate ng parents nyo, baptismal, Form 137, mga ganon. Tapos, papadala nila yun sa Philippines for checking. And it took many months again bago nila yun ma-check. Kasi isi-CI pa yung area nyo dun kung saan kayo nakatira dun sa Philippines. So, ganon ang process, like marriage visa. So, possible, baka sa mga susunod or in the future, plano din namin ni Habi gawin yun. Pero for now, not now. Kasi at least, as I am here already, legalized naman na ako. Meron na akong residence permit and meron na rin akong German bank account and yung integration course ko on process, ayan. So, ang stay ko dito is legal na. So, kung magpapakasal kayo sa Denmark, napakadali lang din. So, mas better, kung plano nyo rin na mag-visit visa dito at plano nyo magpakasal, do it in Denmark. Yeah. Like what I did. So, ganun ang process. So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan, paano naman kung kinasal kayo hindi sa Denmark, sa other country, like Asian, Hong Kong, or UAE, for example, paano registered ng magpapa-change status yung mga European partner nyo dito. So, for better is email the Standisam regarding your case and ask them na dito kayo sa bansang ito kinasal, paano nyo recognize dito sa Germany ang mga marriage certificate nyo dun sa country na kinasalan nyo, di ba? So, possible, one of that is, ipapatranslate nyo yung marriage certificate nyo in German. Kasi, for sure, hindi yan German, di ba? English yan, like that. So, papatranslate nyo kasi yun talaga ang one of the requirements. Tapos, maybe, apostilled siguro. Yeah. And the rest, email nyo talaga sa Standisam kung paano nyo mapaparecognize yung marriage certificate nyo sa other countries dito sa Germany. Pero kapag Denmark, yun, napakadali lang talaga kasi translated na siya sa German din, yung marriage certificate na bigay ng Denmark. So, yan. Sa mga nagtatanong, paano naman yung report of marriage? Kailangan ba ay meron ka ng report of marriage pag nag-apply ka ng spouse visa sa German Embassy in Philippines? So, pwede mong magamit yung marriage certificate mo in Denmark sa pag-apply ng spouse visa sa German Embassy in Manila. Hindi mo kailangan mag-provide agad ng report of marriage. Pero dapat, kasi one of the requirements yun, pero dapat ay inform mo si German Embassy Manila na nagpa-process ka na ng report of marriage. Kahit wala pa yung ROM, as long meron kang marriage certificate apostilled from Denmark, ay accepted yon ng German Embassy of Manila. So, kahit wala pang hawak na report of marriage, makakapag-process ka na ng spouse visa sa German Embassy in Manila. So, yan. Hopefully, this vlog ay nagkaroon kayo ng idea on how you will recognize your marriage certificate in Denmark, your Danish marriage certificate, dito sa Germany. Paano nyo ma-recognize dito? If you have some questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer your queries. Especially, this is only for German-Filipina partners or couples that got married in Denmark. So, para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ko pre-process or ni-recognize ng Germany ang marriage certificate namin sa Denmark dito sa Germany. So, yan. Hopefully, this vlog is nakatulong sa inyo. So, guys, don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod naming vlog. So guys, abangan nyo rin guys yung integration course ko kung ano ng update. Para yun guys sa residence permit ko. So abangan nyo on our next vlog. We will post it here after this video. So guys, thank you and good luck on getting married and planning to get married in Denmark and your spouse visa soon. So, auf Wiedersehen! Tschüss!